The top 3 reasons people think they can't get a home loan is that they have not had a job for 2 years, their credit isn't good enough, and they do not have enough money down. What if I were to tell you that people usually drastically underestimate themselves on that account? I know that things like Credit Karma frequently show people with credit scores lower than they actually have. You do not need 2 years time on job. I only need to be able to explain what you've been doing for the last 2 years. And for money down, a lot of loans want 3.5% down or 5% down, sometimes 3, but Portland metro area also has a great zero down program. Reach out to me, check out my channel, Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Have an awesome day. See you later.